Thank you for joining me today. Take this time to focus on yourself. Stand tall. Inhale, bring our arms up towards the sky, prayer position. As we exhale, bring the palms back down, heart center. And then one hand on our chest and the other hand on our belly. Feel the movement in our belly. As we inhale, abdomen out. Exhale, abdomen in. And let's begin with the movement. So let's stand with our feet hip distance apart. Bend our knees, nod our head, and slowly roll down. We want to focus on stretching our spine and relax the upper body. Now keeping the knees bent, we can feel the stretch in our lower back. And slowly crawl up, standing tall, palms facing front, and reach the arms up. Standing tall, take a deep breath, and slowly shift the weight forward, raise our heels, stand tall, energize ourselves, lengthening our spine. Inhale, exhale, lower down, and relax. Now bend the knees and slowly sway sideways, spinal rotation. So focusing on spinal health, we want to warm up our spine. At the same time, relax the shoulders completely. Now keep our feet slightly apart. Lift our right hand up, shoulders relax. Now stand tall, inhale, exhale, slowly stretch to the side. Breathe into our hips. Inhale up. Exhale to the opposite side, aware that we're not squeezing the shoulders. And inhale up. Exhale one more time. Let's integrate with our breath. And inhale, center, neutral spine. Exhale, lateral flexion. And inhale up. Exhale, release. Now we're going to roll the shoulders back. Can grab hold of the elbows, expanding our chest. You can also interlock the fingers, standing tall, and just move the hands slightly away, and chest up slightly, tilt the chin up slightly, take deep breath. Breathing. And slowly release. Shake out the hands, relax. And fingertips touching our shoulders, make circle with our elbows. Inhale, half circle. Exhale on the other. Inhale, half circle. Exhale, release. Reverse direction. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, forward. Last time. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, forward, and release. Let go of all tension. Now standing tall, palms facing front, lengthen our spine, slowly turn towards the right side. Inhale, and exhale, draw a semicircle, the chin brushing through the clavicle, and exhale to the other side, standing tall. Inhale, exhale, reverse semicircle, and to the right. Inhale, exhale, the chin drawing semicircle, brushing through clavicle and looking to the other side. Inhale, exhale, reverse. Releasing tension in neck and shoulders. And slowly release any tension in the arms. Release tension in neck and shoulders. Now aware, keeping our chin parallel to the floor, spine in neutral. We're going to slowly bring the chin closer to the throat, stretching the back of the neck. Inhale, neutral. Exhale, feel like we're gazing far. And then gently gazing up. Face reaching up towards the sky, expanding. Return. Inhale, center. And exhale one more time. Chin down. So we want to prevent the head from just dropping forward. And center, inhale, and exhale, reach our face up. So prevent just dropping the head back. So the back of the neck is lengthened. Coming back to center, slowly engage the shoulder blades. Lower the right ear to the right shoulders. And just having our hand just gently giving a little stretch there, not pulling the head. And left ear towards our left shoulder, reaching the opposite arm away. Gentle stretch, don't pull. Breathing, breathing. Inhale, center, exhale, relax. Now stand at the end of our mat, okay? Feet parallel, bend the knees, spinal articulation, slowly roll down. And when the hands touch the mat, knees bent, we come to the walk forward to the push-up position, plank, aware, shoulders over the wrist, neutral spine in this position. Notice that you're not arching our back, and slowly knees down. Let's go to the tabletop position. Now slowly tuck our toes and slowly round our back and move the sit bone down closer to our heels and keeping the hands in the same position. So stretching the back and coming back, center. Relax the toes, and one more time, slowly curl up, standing tall. Make sure you have enough cushioning for your knees. Now we're going to bring the right foot forward, right knee 90 degrees, and right arm up, and slowly turn the palms outwards. So we're drawing like a semicircle. Inhale up, palms facing each other, and exhale down. Find our center. Inhale up as we bring the arms back, palms turning outwards. Inhale, reaching up. Turn the palms in and slowly down. So this will increase the shoulder mobility, but please go at your own pace. Now gently straighten the knees. You can do this with you sitting on a chair if this is too challenging. And we just round the back and slowly walk the hands forward, stretching the left hip flexor. Slowly, please practice mindfully, and we reach the hips back. Walk the hands forward, release tension in the hip flexor, and gently move the hips back. You can do a full extension or knees slightly bent. Bring the palms inside and bring the right foot around and coming back to the tabletop position, rounding our back, shift the hips back, and slowly curl up, stretching the spine. Coming back to center. Now using our core, feel our center and slowly step forward. So left knee, 90 degrees. Now slowly reach the left arm up. Same thing, we reach away. So just want to remind you to not squeeze the shoulders. Okay, so go at your own pace. Inhale up, palms facing up. You can gaze at your thumbs. Inhale up and exhale down. And slowly, we're going to lower the hands down. You can slowly move the foot slightly forward, or you can sit down on the chair or sofa. And slowly, you can walk forward. If you're sitting on the sofa, you can just keep to this stretch. The rest of you can slowly walk your hands forward, stretching the right hip flexor, and slowly walk back. So a lot of times our stress is trapped in the hip area and in the psoas. We want to take this time to release tension, and we want to learn how to move slowly so we can really feel the breath flowing in our body. And as we exhale, we want to let go of all tension. So it's not about no pain, no gain. So arms inside and slowly move the left leg back. Back to the hands and knees, and slowly separate the knees. Round the back. We're going to release the hips and also the back. So Everyone's body is different. You want to just move to a comfortable position. Again, if this is not comfortable, you can also rest your hand on a chair in front of you so that your knees or your hips are not hurting. And breathe deeply into our lower back. Breathe deeply into our lower back. As we exhale, release all tension. Take time to nourish yourself and slowly curl up. Bring the knees together and hands on our chest and belly. Return to our breath. Now let's sit down comfortably. I suggest you can sit on your mat, cross-legged, back straight, hands on the chest and belly. Return to mindful breathing. So you notice the abdomen is moving, practicing diaphragmatic breathing. So no tension in the neck, shoulders or chest. You can relax your arms, breathing comfortably, naturally. So let's listen to 3 sounds of the bell. Hope that you enjoyed today's practice. I'd like to invite you to join me in the free 7-day mindful movement mini course. And this is a video here that you can also practice. So I'll see you very soon in the next practice. Have a wonderful day.